I'm a bird stalker. I'm a bird stalker. I like to stalk birds. Well, hello, peoples. I'm the bird stalker. You see, I try to find many different birds. Now, normally, chaps, you can see, well, right now there isn't any pigeons. Normally there is loads of pigeons. The only blooming birds around here one can find is these beautiful ornaments. Aren't they lovely? Little duck one over there. Yes, so all one can find is ornaments. And there's normally ginormous fat pigeons. There's actually one on the tippy top of that house right there. But that isn't even a pigeon. Oh look, there it goes. Swooping. Yes, it's gone. You can hear them, but they've gone. This is my dog. Hello. So yes, I am bird stalking. Except there's no birds to stalk. This is where you can report him from some random place at some really random time. Thank you for watching.